Hello and welcome back to Freeel. Today we're going to take you out to the Kampot salt flats. There is actually several salt flats in Kampot due to its proximity to the coast. Unfortunately, due to the salt levels around the coast here, not much rice is grown, so it's a lot of salt fields, as you can see, everywhere. So the salt fields on Fisherman's Island also, but we went to the more tourist kind of friendly area. So I went along the waterfront. Let's zoom in a bit here. You can see how many, not much green anywhere. That's due to all the salt. Zoom in a bit more. As you can see, there's lots of salt fields everywhere. Unfortunately, they weren't harvesting any of the salt. We did actually go out and have a look. But it was a lovely little ride. I will put a link in the bottom of them actually doing the whole salt production. It's quite interesting and very labor intensive. So I'll link that down below. Hope you enjoy it. And here we go from Rikiti Tavi. As you can see, it's a beautiful day in Kampot.
So we're going to, what's it called again, Claire? We're going to the Salt Flats Fields thingy. So this is kind of the same as last time we were here. Nothing really has changed too much. This little section, but further along it's changed majorly. A lot of construction happened down here.
Yeah, so this market actually comes alive around 4 o'clock, 4 to at least 8, 9, 10 o'clock at night.
This looks like it's a market every day. This is all new from now on. This wasn't here. Holy dooly! I'm gonna end up in the water.
I think they might be trying to move that market down to this area. We didn't actually go and see that statue, but that's one of the statues in Kampot. Has right on either side. We didn't get to see that. But this is a large open area. Expecting they're going to move the markets from down there up to here. On the right here, you can see they're building some little huts. I don't know if they're going to put them on the water or just alongside the waterfront.
We almost stayed up here at the what was it called? Praek. Oh, the old slow down sign nearly got me.
It's honestly, yeah.
Oh, hell yeah! Like bloody hell! I think they're doing the road up. Now we're getting back to Siem Reap kind of roads. Oh, big pothole.
Oh,
Some houses right down to the water.
Yeah, so those it's a big complex actually down onto the right. It's about 13 houses. Little houses. Actually went and asked if they do monthly. They said no. We're going to do nightly, $40 a night. There wasn't one person in the whole complex. The only bad thing about anything on the waterfront there is that the sun comes down from the other side. These villas are very nice. Expect in a few years there'll be villas all the way along the waterfront. But the problem is the sun when it does set, so the sun comes straight into your house.
Policing on a fire truck. That police thing was like a fire truck.
Beautiful view here. This is where we're going to turn off and go up into the salt flats. As you go a bit further, as you can see on the map at the start, it goes out onto the ocean. So we are pretty close to the ocean there.
There's houses out here. All these houses, are they salt houses? Oh, hold on. Wow. Yeah, there they are there. Pretty amazing, aren't they?
Yeah, that's sort of thing.
Oh, little huts over there. They're pretty rustic kind of drinking huts, aren't they? Okay, it's called the Salt Flats. Quite nice at this time of the afternoon. Actually, quite nice to come out here and do a time lapse. Really nice. Something different.
Yeah, it was beautiful out here in the afternoon. We were here for a little bit, then we decided to go back to try and find a wine shop. It was starting to get very windy also. These old shacks are beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
Those houses are cool.
Must be where they cook the salt.
They must.
Do some kind of process of that.
Oh, something in there, yeah.
Bagging it.
Well, they got salt and pepper all covered. Condiment Island.
Along this road there was a little bit of road work happening, a bit of drainage. You can see how the difference between Siem Reap and Kampot do this drainage. Very small scale obviously, but they have little witches hats out, and they have sectioned off areas. There's a lot of these new high-rises building popping up.
Well, these places. Well, they're just out of character. Wow.
Maybe other things born here.
That thing. There. Oh. Oh.
As always, thank you for watching. Down below are all the YouTubers that we do follow. Also, if you could like and subscribe. And just a reminder, any money that we do make from YouTube, we will give back to the Cambodian people through NGOs or charities. So every cent we do make will head straight back into the Cambodian community. To do so, please watch those ads. I know they're annoying. Only 30 seconds can help change someone's life. So down below, all the YouTubers that we follow, like, subscribe, leave us a comment. We love to talk to you. Thank you, and see you in the next one.